Hey, what is up? It's me, Summer, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have the video you've all been waiting for. We're going Halloween shopping, but with a twist.
Yellows and look like SpongeBob. You still rock bottom at the bus stop, bitch. Scuba nose up in your hole. Dick in the sandy cheek, she touch her toes. Leaning like the tower of pizza. Eating my crusty crab pizza. I forget, bitch, I don't need her. Someone get Patrick a t-shirt. Shout out my nigga, no t-shirt. Hey, I just pop 5 addies, 2 Zans in my kelp shit. Wash it down, no Krabby Patty. What? Who can't fuck with Squidward? I just ball like Derek Fisher. I just pulled up in the sister. Mrs.
Now, if you're from a small town, USA, anywhere, you know that Goodwills are not like what you see on YouTube. It's not like high-waisted vintage Levi's and Champion hoodies. No, it's like, here's a really offensive t-shirt and some like old scary skirts that will go down to your ankles. But I'm gonna do what the F I can. I'm gonna sew it. I don't have a sewing machine, but I will hand sew it. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to make it cute, okay? First things first, I need some Starbucks in my life. Hi, can I just get a tall, the cold brew with like the pumpkin cream?
Oh yeah, so tall pumpkin cream cold brew?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you. You too. We've arrived. Oh, I know I look like a Target employee today. I thought I worked this morning and I was having one of those days where I was like, I don't want to go. And then I get to work and there's another girl there. And I look on the freaking schedule. Guess who wasn't supposed to even be there? This hoe. I'm able to hold my coffee and my camera, so until we meet again. It's 9 in the morning and this place is like packed. There's so many people here. Why? Will is really here for the spooky season vibes. I like it. Alright, this is not for the video, but I want these shoes. They're so cute. God, also these are brand new from Target. I'm very excited. These shirts are giving me inspiration. Can you guess what that is? I'm sure you can. Every girl does this for Halloween in college. Alright, I had an idea to look for like animal print because, you know, that's very Halloween. So this is like so ugly, but like kind of cute, but like animal print. So like, I'm just gonna put it in here for now. OMG, 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 Kim Possible. That baby is me right now looking for pants in my size. I think this would be cheating to get like a full costume, but just so you know, they have like an actual costume section. Like they have they have mermaid pants, they have feather boas, they have wands, they have hats. Girl, they have wigs. Oh, that is terrifying. Absolutely not. When you want to buy like a cute oversized button up, but you're 5'3". That was an experience, just to say the least. Alright, we're home. First, I would give you guys a little haul to show you everything I got, and then I'll try it on, and I'll do like an actual like fashion show for all my Halloween costumes. I just put on chapstick. I don't know why the That's So Raven theme song keeps going through my head. No, this is Call Me, Beat Me, Kim Possible. Hell yes. I got these pants so I can be a little Kim Possible.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm Kim Possible, Kim Possible, Kim Possible, Kim Possible.
What's the sitch? Okay, this is like Kim Possible, but like auntie edition. So the shirt is from my sister. Thanks Claire, because I couldn't find mine, even though I have one and it's a crop top. So it would have been perfect, but it's fine because these pants are a little too small on me. So like great in some muffin situations anyways. So the pants are a nice Goodwill find. I don't know what these are. They're like gauchos, kind of. And then I just wore some booties. My Doc Martens probably would have sufficed as well.
Every time. That doesn't make sense.
I think this is kind of a duh. Bought this. This is a little cheetah shirt. I either might crop it or I might just tuck it in. I'm not sure. This is from Jones, New York, and it is a size medium. And this was $5.99, which is overpriced. The fact that I got a Levi's shirt and a cheetah print shirt for the same price irks me. I also got these, which I am scared to put on my head because any sort of like headwear from the thrift kind of scares me because I'm a lice freak. I'm one of those people. I'm gonna wipe them down with some rubbing alcohol and it's gonna be fine. Okay, I actually really like this one. It's so fun. I'm a cheetah. I'm a cat. Duh. I just wore this cheetah shirt. I already had this skirt. It's from Forever 21. These boots are from ASOS. And the ears are from Goodwill. Recording. I really don't think you're able to guess, but it's your favorite bald-headed whiny boy. I'm Caillou. I'm singing the theme song in my head. So what I did is Caillou wears like a yellow shirt with a red collar. So I just wore a red collared shirt underneath a yellow collared shirt and I put the red collar over the yellow collar. And then he just wears some jean shorts, so that's what I've got on.
I'm just a kid who's bored each day I go some I like exploring, I'm Caillou. So many things to do, each day is something new. I'll share them with you, I'm Caillou.
Even do like a ponytail, you know, for more of a bald effect. Hi, I'm Caillou. If I had a bald cap at Goodwill, you know I would have done it. I got this shirt. I'm sure you guessed what I'm gonna be. It's what every girl who goes to college is for Halloween. It's risky business. Everyone does a risky business costume because it's so freaking easy. I might put it on some like bikers and then like a little black bralette, some socks. It's easy. Risky business. So easy. This is the white shirt and then I just wore some shorts underneath and then like a sports bra. And then, you know, gotta have the white socks. I wore fuzzy socks for added comfort.
It's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
I'm caught in my sheet.
Stings the nostrils.
What am I doing with my life?
Yeah. Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline. 60% of the time.
Okay, but I can actually wear this shirt.
That doesn't make sense.
I got a few things that aren't for a Halloween costume. They're just because I liked them. First thing is this chambray, like Levi's shirt, but I'm gonna wear this as a dress. It's Levi's. It's a size extra large, 100% cotton. It's just gonna be a good like, I'm just like a chill visco girl. That's how it made me feel. I also got it in black because they literally had both. This one I think is newer and this one's a little bit thicker and it's in a size large. So this I'll actually wear as a jacket. $5.99. $4.99. These are not my size, they're too big. Like my foot goes like here, but they were only $4.99. So I thought, you know what, it's fine. They are these little neon. They're not showing up true to color at all. They're like a lime green color, but they are showing up like yellow as hell, but it's fine. They're so cute. They're like a chunky little heel, got a little sandal strap, and they like cross the ankles. I don't know, I felt like these were trendy. They're probably out by now. I'm not good at trends. Hi. Okay, on a real note though, I wanted to make this video because I know what it's like to not have like a lot of extra money just lying around to get like an extravagant Halloween costume. And even though Halloween is so fun, it can be a little bit expensive. So I wanted to show you that you can get some cute costumes from the thrift store. I just went to my little Goodwill and la-ti-da. So that brings me to the end of today's video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. I make new videos every Monday and Friday and I'd love to see you back. And that's all I got for you, okay? Bye! Also, someone commented on my video one time that they can't understand me because of all the accents that I speak in, and if that's you, like, I'm very sorry, but this is just how I talk, so get used to it. Okay, bye.